Okay, you're making a mess. Kamdenboy, Kyraboo, toy review. Hi, Kyra.
Hi.
How you doing today?
Good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Your allergies bothering you a little bit?
Yeah.
It's okay. What are we gonna make today? You're gonna make some more slime?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We did a pretty good job with our slime last time. I think I added too much contact solution.
Yeah.
So we're gonna play around with our amounts today.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you do first?
The other one. At the same time.
At the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do our 3 ingredient
Yeah.
glitter glue, contact solution,
That's juice.
and what? Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. So those are the 3 ingredients that we're gonna do. Oh, and also, water's
Water.
always optional. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay. So what do we need next? I think baking soda, right?
Baking soda.
Go right ahead. Okay, now you need to stir it up.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's add some water.
Yeah. Then I do it.
Yes, you may.
A little bit more. Now.
Okay, now stir that up. Keep going.
Okay.
The water is gonna help it to be stretchier. Yeah.
Ooh, your slime. It's a slime, Mommy.
Is it turning into slime?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. So now we're going to slowly add our contact solution.
Yeah.
Last time we did a whole tablespoon. This time I'm going to start with a half a tablespoon.
Let me do it. 40.
Pour it in. Okay. Want me to take it out for you?
No. Mine. Ooh, let me put it in a bowl.
Okay.
Ooh.
Keep squeezing it. I need you to knead it.
Isn't it?
Keep. Yeah, there you go. Okay, you're making a mess. The slime is pretty. The glitter slime is really pretty. You can really see the glitter.
Oh!
I see you
Sit
took it.
down. Mommy, sit down.
Sit it down? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to show them the glitter in it. It's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh. Pretty. Oh. Hi. Can I put it? Let's go over here.
Okay.
And play with the fucking bubbles. Wait, go. Mom, count.
All right.
Count, mommy. Count. Put the darn down.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Oh, where did it go now? I do it faster.
You do it faster. All right, ready?
Go.
Oh. Okay, this is what I want you to do. So tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
So we did a better job this time with our slime. What? We're getting better with our slime, Kyra. Yes, we are getting much better.
Much better?
Yes, we are going to continue to get better, okay? All right, next time. See you next time.
The next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Kyra.
Bye. 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 Kamdenboy, Kyraboo, play with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't